plexiglass plastic, and you're not supposed to use normal window cleaner on them. You'll wreck the surface and it'll become foggy. You're supposed to just use soap and water. It's the same kind of window they use in a helicopter. So just so you know that. So we're going to clean it with soap and water. Working on the sink right now. It's pretty corroded, and now we're gonna start cleaning the vinyl using two different cleaners that were recommended on boler.ca. Holy night and day. That looks so good. So much better. Fresh. Nice. So the goal is to not paint this elephant skin vinyl on the inside, just to clean it, because if you paint it then you have to keep painting it and keep up with it. So it looks like what's it called? Simple Green. Yes. Is working pretty well, and then I'm using the other vinyl cleaner on this side, and we'll see how that turns out.
Climbing a tree, twisted like a snake and busy like bees. Don't know what is wrong with me. Don't know what is wrong with me. Pumping up the volume to 90 degrees, dancing to a song till I drop to my knees. Don't know what is wrong with me. Don't know what is wrong with me. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room, you got me blushing. I got a crush just like a gold rush. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing. From across the room, you got me blushing. I got a crush just like a gold rush. what I need. Coming at your heart, you will see what I mean. Don't know what the is wrong with me. Don't know what the is wrong with me. It's been in my head, you got me all dizzy. Wouldn't it be better if I just let it be? Don't know what the is wrong with me. Don't know what the is wrong with me. Boy, how you know you got that something here? I'm just standing doing nothing wrong across the room.
It's actually 40 degrees Celsius. It's really hot and gross. So we'll see what I get done before I die in this little trailer cleaning. Yeah, it's a small space, but I want to try and get this cleaned up. I bought another cleaner for mold and mildew for RVs. Yeah, so I will take you along for this journey today.
You got me flushing, I gotta rush, just let go rush. I know you got that something here. I'm just standing doing nothing wrong across the room. You got me flushing, I gotta rush, just let go rush. I gotta rush, just let go rush.
Showed you that this came with a little toilet. So you'd fill it, there's a solution you got that you fill in here, I think. And then when you push this down, your poop and pee goes into the holding tank underneath. Not entirely sure how to empty it, but that's how it goes. And then there's a place for that under the seat. So it slides underneath here, the toilet. Alright, I've been busy scrubbing all day long. Didn't record it, thought it was kind of boring, but I'll just show you what I've done for a minute. I've scrubbed like inside, I've scrubbed all the vinyl interior and fiberglass, scrubbed the floors. I just put a little WD-40 on all the window cranks and all that stuff. This is filled with mosquitoes. Do you see them? Oh, it's so bad. Anyway, so I'll just show you all my cleaning I've done.